Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. I have had this channel for a little over 2 years and I was looking through to see how many tutorials that I had done showing you how to crochet certain granny squares. And I discovered that I had 17 granny squares, different types of granny squares that I had done tutorials on. You may or may not have watched those tutorials. You may not even know they exist. So I wanted to share with you today the 17 granny squares that I have done over the past 2 years, tutorials that I've done over the past 2 years. This very first one, and they're not in order of the tutorials either. This very first one is just your traditional, regular granny square. And who doesn't love just a regular granny square? The second is the circle to square granny square. It is starting off with a couple rows, or you can make it as big as you want to, of circles. And then we turn it into a square. Then we have this bias granny square that you actually crochet it corner to corner, and it increases from this corner down to the center and then decreases from the center down to the bottom corner. It's really, really neat. Next is this mitered granny square. I think this is just the coolest looking granny square. You start off with a regular granny and then it just works around 2 sides. It is a really, really neat looking square. Next is this Farmhouse granny square. I really, really love the looks of this one. It almost looks like some type of a web to me. And I just went ahead and I used this to make a pot holder, and I have that tutorial that is going to be coming up tomorrow. It's going to be on there tomorrow. So if you want to watch that one, make sure you tune in tomorrow and make a pot holder. Next, we have the Hexagon granny square. So many things are made with the Hexagon granny square. I love the blankets that are made with the Hexagon. Absolutely beautiful. Then we have the African flower granny square. So pretty. Another one that is used for so many things, but is extremely beautiful in a blanket. And then we're getting into some flowers. We have the daisy granny square, if you love daisies. And then we have the sunflower granny square, if you are a sunflower lover. This one is really, really pretty. This one is called Blue Whisper. It's different, but it's very, very pretty, and I love the pastel colors. You can do it in any color you wish, but in the pastel, it's really, really pretty. Then we have the Mosaic granny square. Again, I love the delicate, soft colors. I can picture it in so many other soft colors like this, with a yellow and maybe a purple. Beautiful, just beautiful. Recently, I just made some star granny squares. I made this blue one, and then I made red, and then I made a white star as well. So that was perfect for the 4th of July holiday that's coming right up. And then we've gone past, and of course, like I said, this is over the past couple of years. This is the Shamrock granny square. And I searched and I searched for different Shamrock granny squares online, and I didn't like them, so I went ahead and I created this one myself. Then we have the Gummy Bear. So fun, so fun. Gummy Bear granny square, and you can make these in all the different colors and put them together for a child's pillow or a blanket. So cute. And I just recently did this one because it's strawberry season. This is the strawberry granny square. Love it. This is called the Cherry Field granny square. I used a much larger hook for this one. Little cherries on a stem. So cute. And last but not least is this spiral granny square. Now this one was really fun. We use 4 different colors all at the same time, and it can be tricky. But who doesn't love a challenge? I know I love a challenge. Wait, there's one more. Coming up, not next week, but the following week, for a granny square tutorial. This is called the Sun Drop granny square. And this one is much lacier, but it is so pretty. I can see this being used as a doily, if you will. You could use a thinner thread or cotton yarn, and this would make a beautiful doily. This tutorial is coming up. It'll be the first granny square tutorial in the month of July. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to link every one of these tutorials to these 17 granny squares in the description box below. So if there's one that you like and you want to watch, click on over, use that link, go on over, watch that tutorial. And if there's any other granny squares that I haven't done yet that you want me to do a tutorial on, drop that in the comments, and comment and let me know which one was your favorite, if you had a favorite, or 2 or 3. And until next time, bye.